How to install DAMTech, our highly resistant acoustic insulation mats under screed that can be used, for example, in hotels, supermarkets, high-rise and public buildings, gyms, and schools. Before installation, remember to install thermal insulation if necessary. Also, remember to store the mat in dry areas at constant temperature. If no thermal insulation is installed, a leveling filler is required in case of larger unevenness or installed piping. The surface must be dry and clean before we start with the installation. Step 1. Install an insulation edge strip over all structural components that extend upward, such as walls or pipes, to avoid the formation of sound conduction channels within the structure. The peripheral strip must be thick enough to ensure proper insulation and must extend upward beyond the floor surface. And now we are ready for installation. Step 2. Place the insulating underlay over the entire surface to be covered. Then trim to a size slightly larger than the surface covered and leave for 1 day to allow dimensional relaxation and temperature equilibration. Step 3. Trim the underlay to the exact dimensions of the surface covered. Step 4. Add high-tack adhesive tape between the edge strip and acoustic insulation, as well as on the joints of the rolls to seal them. Seal joints with high-tack adhesive tape. Step 5. Cover underlay with PE membrane, which should cover the peripheral insulation strip and extend above the subsequent floor surface. Step 6. Install the screed or lightweight cement. Be sure that the screed cannot enter into the insulating underlay. After the installation, apply the floor finish to finalize the process. Find out more about our products at damtech.de.